Adolescent pregnancy is a global problem with a well-documented causes and serious health, social, and economic consequences.
The global adolescent birth rate has decreased, although the rates of change have been variable between regions.
There are also considerable variances between and within countries in terms of levels.
Adolescent pregnancy is one of the huge problems that our country, which is the Philippines, is facing right now. Now, what is adolescent pregnancy? It is when a young woman starts to conceive at the age of 10.
There are a lot of factors that contribute to adolescent pregnancy. Lack of information about sexual and reproductive health and rights. Access to clear sexual health advice and information is critical, as is the ability to choose from a variety of conception alternatives without stigma or discrimination. A lack of sexual and reproductive health services can also lead to the spread of sexually transmitted diseases such as HIV. This directly impacts on the health, well-being, and livelihoods of families and can be particularly dangerous. Family, community, and social pressure to marry. Child marriage places girls at increased risk of pregnancy because girls who are married very early typically have limited autonomy to influence decision-making about delaying childbearing and contraceptive use. Second, in many places, girls choose to become pregnant because they have limited educational and employment prospects. Often in such societies, motherhood and marriage or union and childbearing may be the best of the limited options available to adolescent girls. Last but not the least, of course, the lack of education or school dropout. According to the article entitled Educational Failure, Pregnancies to Skip School, young women who leave school immediately after learning they're pregnant are students who are already performing poorly and are several years away from completing their secondary studies. It is less common for a student who is performing well to abandon her studies when a pregnancy occurs. We all know that every problem has a solution. Thus, here are some of the solutions or implementations we offer to help you prevent adolescent pregnancy. Tailor sexual and reproductive health programs and services to the needs of adolescents. Safe contraception to tackle the root causes of adolescent pregnancy.
And you can see on our website, it talks about the impacts of adolescent pregnancy on our youth ones and the cause and effect of this. There are a lot of implementations that young people can follow if they read all the blogs that are provided on the page. On our homepage, you will already know about the meaning and some information about adolescent pregnancy. You can also see our advocacy on this website.
We want to help youngsters to be fully aware of this existing issue. At least with this very little discussion, we could make a very big contribution. One of the main problems in our current world is the increasing rate of adolescent pregnancies, and so we are here to implement our main goal, which is to at least minimize the population of this overwhelming matter and to become one of the advocates for social change. We believe that addressing this one of the most uncontrollable issues would serve as a solution for the problems arising in society. It is all about the change of our purpose to influence, care for, and be an instrument for other young people. Promoting our advocacy will lead us to change our world for the better future.
If you want to know more about our website, you can visit us at https://padreina8bvl5.wixsite.com/adolescentors for more information. You can also contact us by email at adolescentors@gmail.com and ask for more details.